meeting, right? And today we'll be talking about the data view, which is data modeling. So in Power BI has this data modeling in it, that data modeling techniques in it. And the purpose of this data view in Power BI is to help you to find a relationship between your table, or to let's say if you have two tables, how can you find relationship in these two tables, right? So that's the main purpose of this one, of this power the data view, right? Okay. So so it's one of the crucial steps in Power BI. Okay. It's one of the crucial steps. So here, let's say if you have more than 3 tables, like the data we are coming to work with is 4 tables, right? So we will use the model view model view functions in Power BI to Power BI desktop to help us to manage the data, right? And then so that we can build our effective reports. And this one here is very easy, right? It's very, very easy. So the key aspect of the model view in Power BI is that's the table relationship, right? So in the model view, you can see and manage the relationship between the tables, right? Yes. And you can also create a new relationship, right? And all those things. And another point is that diagram view too. This one too can it include the diagram, right? That's in the visual representation of the data, right? Yeah. So it's one of the table field, manage relationships and all those things, and then data validation. And so by here, our main focus of today is that's the table relationship, right? Yeah, table relationship will be our main focus. Okay. Now let's import our data, right? So here, when you check the file format is the data format is CSV, right? So here we choose the CSV text or CSV. Then text or CSV too. So let me import it one by one. So start working with yours, right? I'm working with mine. So let's do it together. Okay, so let me load it straight. Let me have the customer ID, customer name, gender, age, home address, zip code, city, state, and country, right? And then this particular column here, the customer ID here, is a column that uniquely identify all the rows, right? Yes, uniquely identify all the rows. Now let's go to the others table to and see. Okay, so this is the others table. Now in the others table we have others ID, customer ID, payment, order date and delivery date, right? Yeah, so this is the ID, right? Order ID. This is the unique column, right? In SQL we say something like primary key, right? If you are setting the primary key, we set you to this ID, the order ID, right? So this one too is uniquely identify all the rows, but we also have customer ID in it, right? Yes, that means that here the customer tables and the order tables, there is a relationship between these two tables. Okay, so let's move to the product. Yeah, the product too, we have what? So that one too, we have the product ID, product type, the product name, size, color, price, and then quantity. And then the sales too, we have the same thing, right? We have the sales ID, order ID, product ID, price per unit, quantity, and then the total price. So these are the various field in the sales. I good. Now here our main purpose here is that to help us, how can you find a relationship between these two tables, right? Between these four tables, and with the help of the model view, we can perform all these tasks. But what Power BI does is that Power BI have that kind of robust features in it, whereby as soon as you imported the tables, Power BI will try to do what? To try to do to create a relationship between all those tables. So sometimes you imported a table and the Power BI will automatically do that relationship for you. But sometimes too, it can't do that. So here it all depends on how well the data is, right? So let's go to the model view. So this is the model view. Okay, so this is the model view, right? Yes. So we have the model view here. Now here we can see that it has automatically done the relationship for us, right? So we have the customer. So here when you click here, we can see that now it has linked, right? And the relationship here is one to many relationship. I good. So you see that one and then the star here means one to many. So you click on this icon, this line here, it will show you the table or the field that have helped to create the relationship. I good. Okay. Now let's move on to this one too. Here to the same thing. We have the product ID and the product ID here, right? And it's correct. And then here too we have the order ID and then the sales, right? Yeah. So here Power BI has automatically on. So let's automatically detect all these things for us. Now if you double click on this line, it will give you the edited relationship, right? So these are the ID field. So the customer field and then the customer field, right? So here it has linked with the customer the customer ID and the customer ID here, right? So this one will also help you to see the the particular field that has been linked, right? Yes. And you see the cardinality here. So the cardinality, we have one-to-one mapping, one-to-many mapping, and many-to-one mapping. So here the cardinality here is what is many-to-one mapping. So that means all the
I can't see.
we can't see that one.
From the cardinality.
Oh, it's down here. The one I've put the cursor on.
Where?
Oh,
It looks like it's frozen.
okay, don't worry. Let me share that one. So I'm coming, right. Let me try to share that one. Okay. It's because of it's a sub window, right? So let's say if you when you are doing it, or if you watch the videos, you see it. If you click on the line, it's a sub window. That's why it can show in the view. Uh, Google Meet is not able to show it because it's a sub window. I think next time you should try a different software. Next time we will use Teams, Microsoft Teams. We will use Google Meet. Okay. Okay. So let's proceed. And if you get the video, you will see what I'm talking about, right? Okay. So the same thing implies to the product and the sales too, right? So if you put the cursor on it, it will show you the table that has been what that has is common between them. And if you double click on it to then it will give you the edited relationship, right? So here, as soon as we see, because Power BI has done all the work for us, right? But sometimes if it detects it wrong, we can change it here, right? So we can click here, then click on OK, then we choose the column that's related. Are you good? Okay. Yes.
The screen.
It's still frozen.
No, like right now it's off. It's only your voice.
Yeah. I didn't.
Okay, I can see now.
Yeah. Okay. So here, as I was saying, this is the related field or related columns, right? But if let's say Power BI detect it wrong, we can manually or selected it using just click on the related columns. Okay. So this, basically the whole thing about the model view for today, right? Okay. So let's move to the report view now. I'm in the report view now. Now here, I find the relationship between all the tables. Now I'm good to go, right? So all the table has been related with the help of the model view feature in it now. So here we can proceed to create or any dashboard or any visual you wanted to create, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so now now we can create any visual you wanted to create. Now let's go through the data again, all the tables again, and then okay. Yeah. Oh, Sam, you are late. Hello. Okay. So let's proceed. So yeah, let's start with the customer tables. The customer table. Now we have a name, we have gender, we have age, right? So here, base if you wanted to, let's say you wanted to know the gender, right? The so how many genders do we have here? So let me click on the drop down. Let's see all the gender. Okay, so these are the distinct values in the gender column, right? Okay. So here say if you want the gender and then the products they want, right? You want the gender and then the type of products they want, right? So here this is the gender, then you go to products, right? So the product we have so this is the type of product we have here, right? So we have here to let's check the distinct values here. Okay, so we have three distinct values. We have jacket, shirt, and trousers. Right, good. Okay. So here we can let's use a stack column chart here. Stack column chart to get the insight we are looking for, right? Okay. Okay. So here the x-axis we can go to. So you see that now we have 4 tables here, right? So if the x-axis, if you click on add data, all the 4 tables will come. Then you click on this arrow here for you to navigate through the various field, various field in each table, right? Here we are looking for gender, so here we select the gender here. Good. And then let's say the y-axis to click on the y-axis here. Then let's see the y-axis, we want to gender in their total sales. So here we go to that's the total price, yes. And then the legend one to let's choose the orders. Let's go to that's product, right? That product type. Okay. Okay, good. Now we have this kind of chart here. This chart. Okay. So these are the genders we have. These are the genders we have here, and then so when you take male, the male, that's male gender. The male gender, these are the product type. I think the highest one is the jacket, right? Yes. The highest one is the jacket, and then the least one is the shirt. Right. Okay. Are you following the whole thing? Hello.
I'm following.
Okay, okay. So
Yes.
I want the thing to be interactive. This one there we have done it before, right? We have done it before, so I want you to let's bring your ideas how we build it. We
Yes.
should build the dashboard and then we do it together. Yes. Yeah, I'm listening.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. If you are speaking, I can't hear you. Uh-huh. So are you asking? Okay. So this is our first chart here. I think the last time we built some very powerful dashboard, right? Yes. So let's take the same idea here. Okay. Now let's also move on to the next one. So what do you suggest? So let's go to the table view. Okay, so based on this we have here, the tables we have here, if you wanted to build a dashboard here, or share your idea so that you will do everything together. Uh-huh. So we are building a dashboard. So which visual should we choose? Which field we should the kind of inside we will use here.
And the product, the product type, we can get like you see the product types are only three.
Yeah, only three.
So
Yeah.
we can get a yes, we can get a pie chart of the product type, and then let's see the sales.
The sales, right? Yes. Okay. That one too fine. Okay, so pie chart. This is a pie chart and then okay.
So let's see the total sales and then the product type,
Okay.
or total price. Any of them will work.
Okay. And then the product and then the product type. Okay. Okay, that's fine. We have this. Okay. And what again? You are the one doing it too. So
Hey,
yeah, because
and
you
I
are
have closed my Power BI and I'm following.
okay. So any idea in mind, just bring it on board then. Because we
The
have
ideas
that.
there be plenty.
You said
I said ideas there plenty. Let's do
uh
we can also do the
so this is the field, right? Let me show you the field. The field, the tables. Uh huh.
we can also do the um the customer side. We can find out the let's see the customer name. How many customers we have.
Okay.
The customer name.
Your customer. Right? Your customer name. There are plenty. Oh.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So this we can still do it. So these are the customer names, right? We can still do it. Use
So that one we can use the table.
table. Good. Good. Use the table. So each customer and their, let's say customer,
Yes.
they're
We
not.
can get their products, their
Uh-huh. Customer and their product.
product.
Okay.
We can get gender. We can get what else? Their state or country. On the table, we can get their state or country, customer product, state or country, and then the
Yes.
payment.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm listening. Yes. Hello. Oh. Oh. I can't hear you. If you are speaking, I can't hear you.
Connection went off.
His connection went off.
My own went.
Okay. But someone wanted to say something, but it seems that he's having challenges with his mic.
Okay. Alright.
Okay. Oh, but
Let him type.
let's proceed. I wanted to conclude what you are saying.
I'm saying that we can get a table of the customer name.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Sam. Oh. Yes, I can hear you now.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
You can hear me now?
Yeah.
So I was asking, yeah. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay now.
What's that?
Oh, still can't. Oh, what's happening? If you can repeat what you just said. Hello. Hello. Oh.
I think his network is worrying him.
Okay. It's unfortunate. Okay, so you proceed. Let's finish it. I want you to conclude.
I'm saying let's get a table of the customer name, the state or country, the
State.
payment.
So which one is this, state or state or but the country? There we all know that the country is one.
The country is only one.
Yeah, the country is one.
So let's do state.
State, right? Okay. So each customer,
So we do state.
where they are coming from, and then we can talk about the products,
The state. The
the
product.
product, and then
You can also do gender.
okay,
You can also add gender.
gender to it. Okay, sure. So let's do that one. So you are the one doing it. So okay.
Don't do that. This one you record, the people will watch. So you make, if I do one, then you do one.
Okay. So he said customer name. Customer name and what? The gender. Customer name, gender, and
The state.
the state. Okay. State. Okay, and what again?
And we can add their product
The product type,
and
right?
then the type of image, the product type.
Okay, and then let's add the the quantity, right?
Quantity and payment.
Yeah, quantity. Okay, okay, good. Okay, so that means we, we have this data here, right? We have this data here. Okay, that's fine. So that we can. So here, this is the this guy, this man here, order 44. That's the product, right? Product. This one too. So that's their product type, right? So you see that this man here keep at ordering things, right? So this, yes. So this man here. Hello, Bruce. Are you there?
I'm here.
Okay. So you see that here they are. I mean, they are ordering things, right? Yes. And this one too. If let's say you can hear sometimes, though Power BI is not a tool for querying data, but here you can still use this table to query the data. Let's say instead of you using SQL, you see the idea I'm bringing now. Instead of you using SQL to find all these things, you can use Power BI, right? You see that you have getting some kind of insight here. Let's say this is the type of insight you need in you need using the SQL, right? Yeah, so you can say we have used the Power BI to do that kind of query, right? So here you can export the data. You can export the data, right? Yes, but that's fine. So let's say if you have a small data like this, and you wanted to export, like find some kind of things in it, you can use Power BI. Sometimes that this, instead of me uh, uh, writing SQL to query some data, I use this one, this table. If the data is very small, like this CSV file, right? You see these CSV files are very small, very small. But if, yeah, okay, it's fine. Okay, what again? Okay, we can also talk something about the data category. You see that the data category, we didn't do any. Let's move to the here. Let's move to the city or the state. We have to also set the data category, right?
Okay.
So let's set the data category here to, let's say, state. Let's set it to state. Okay, now it's now state. Okay. Bruce. So what next?
I've done two.
So continue. Assume that you are the one doing it. So let's do it. Let's do it. I just wanted to like.
This one is for your.
This one is on.
This one is for your page. It's for YouTube. This. Okay. So let's try.
Let's try.
Come.
Okay. Or should I show you the table view? So this is a table view.
What was the first this one we used? Visualization we used.
The visual we use this one, the clustered column, and you use this one. So this, and remember that, can you do the editing? Let's say increase the font and all those things.
That one is even. That's even easier than that.
Okay, sure. So that means we won't worry much on that. So
let's do something on the maps.
Maps, right? Okay. So
which one? Let me see there.
So there's the map.
So you can do maps like we can do the state and then the product.
Okay. So location is the state. State. And then the tuple size. And the tuple size is what? Tuple size
There'll be the product.
No, the tuple size should be how the tuple in the map, the size of the tuple. So you normally, okay, so the tuple size normally will be the, like, should be the.
You should do the. Okay.
Oh, say what you are saying.
No, I was saying that we should do state and then the type of product. The product type for the state. But you were saying something. I didn't get you.
Okay. No, I've stopped. So okay. So the product type, right? Okay. So where will the product? You put the product type.
The product type.
Okay, so legend. Let's put legend. So the product type. Let's put the product type at legend, and then let's say. And then
But you were saying something. That was what shifted my attention.
Oh, okay.
What was it?
I was saying something about the tuple size. Okay, so here let's go back to let's do something here. So let me check here. Okay, let's check the map. So these are the states, right? Then we have the quantities and everything. So let's check the data type. The data type of the quantity. So this is the quantity, right? And then the quantity is what? It's a whole number. I agree. Yeah, the quantity is a whole number, so that's fine. Yeah, so that's a whole number. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the quantity is a whole number. So yeah, we can also, so when you take the Western Australia, jacket is what? Jacket is the count of jacket is what? That's 420. Jacket is 420, and then shirt is also
Like they are all 420.
yeah 420, yeah, and here to the same 420.
Mm,
Okay, here to the same 420.
mm,
Okay. Okay, 420. Okay, so I mean, let's use the, instead of using the, so instead of using the quantity, let's use total price, right?
yeah.
Let's use total price, and let's see. Okay, so trouser here. Okay, so here I think it's now different. Right, the trouser is 34,529, and the 41,600. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. And what next? Uh-huh. Bruce, today you are doing everything.
Let me see the visualize.
Okay, that's the dashboard, right?
Let's do a card for. Let's do card for. Let me see the
Uh-huh. Which one? The card. Okay, so this is the card. We have card here.
this.
Oh, Bruce, your line. The line is breaking.
The
Yeah, Bruce, your line is breaking. Oh. Hello, Bruce. Uh-huh. You are back. You were saying something. Bruce, are you there?
Table or
I can't hear you. So repeat what you were saying.
Amos.
Yes, I dey listen o.
I'm coming.
Okay,
I'm trying to switch to another network. I'm coming.
okay. And for what?
People can get total sales.
Okay, card for total sales, right?
We'll do this thing. We can use the DAX to get total sales. And we'll do a card for total sales.
Okay, total sales of what?
Total sales of all the products. Then we insert a slicer to find the total sales for the different products.
Okay.
But we can do the total sales for all three products separately.
I think this is the sum of the total price by product type, right? Right. Yes. So this is we use the the pie chart to get the or I'm not getting what you are saying.
So it's the same. Okay, so let's get for all three. Like we'll do the total sales for all the products.
Use
One card.
one card. Okay, okay. Okay, so let's do the card here. Okay. So card. Okay. So the total sales is what 1 million, right?
1 million.
Yeah. That's some. Okay. I'm coming. Let's change the. So let me be on thousands. Oh. Okay, so this is the actual figure, right? Which is for 1 million, right?
Yeah, 1 million 31,800.
Okay. So let me put it somewhere here. Okay. I'll position it here. Let me put it here. Okay. This is not the proper arrangement, but after that we will arrange the whole thing, right?
Arrange it, okay.
Yeah. And what again? We are saying slicer. And so let's insert a slicer too, right? Okay, so the slicer. So what should we put inside the slicer? What should you put into the hot food? Should you put into the freezer?
I'm thinking product type.
Okay. Okay, this is a product type. Okay. Okay. What again? Okay, so let's arrange it then. Arrange it. Put this one here. Okay. Or can you put, let me arrange it somewhere.